Hey, Remote Pilot 101, Jason here, and the FAA is very good at changing things. Well, they're at it again. They've changed our registration, at least how we display our registration. Just to catch you up, we're back to hobbyists and commercial pilots need to register their unmanned aircraft systems, their drones. How it previously used to be, though, previously you were able to place the registration anywhere on the drone that didn't require a tool. So for example, with ours, we had it actually hidden in the battery compartment. Well, that is no longer acceptable. You actually have to have it visible now for everybody to see it. So we've since moved it down to the tail of the aircraft there. Registration must now be visible for everybody to see, and that, I believe, is a regulation that's going to be here to stay for a bit. Remember, Remote Pilot 101 is not only the biggest Part 107 course on the market, but it's also the most up-to-date, continually keeping you up to date as the FAA literally changes things so you are legal and you're current for your test, your recurrent test, and beyond. So listen, can't wait to read your comments in this video below, and I'll see you all in the next video. I'll see you.